Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Marcus Bank account online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log in and get access to your Marcus Bank account online, then here's how to do it. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box at the top. Type in www.marcus.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page. Click on the login button at the top right hand corner and you'll end up in the login area. Go ahead and type in your email address associated with your Marcus Bank account and make sure to type it in correct. Now, in the password text box, type in your password correct as well. In case you don't remember your password, click on Create or Reset Password link and follow the instructions in order to reset to a new password. Once you reset your password to a new one, you'll be able to get access to your account, but in case you remember your password, type it into the password text box and click on the Continue button. Soon after you click Continue on the next page, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to log into your Marcus Bank account quick and easy. After logging into your Marcus Bank account, you can manage your account, make your payments, check your transactions right from your computer or your mobile devices. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.